I love getting together with the girls.
Sundays are my big day, especially in the fall.
We go to a wine bar, try out a new restaurant.
My buddies and I eat some wings, drink some beers while sitting in front of the big screen on game day.
And I know having a drink or two every once in a while is okay, but I'm concerned about the effect it has on our health.
Well, drinking in moderation is usually fine, but the next day you could feel it. Recent studies have demonstrated that a broad spectrum of nutrients can help to neutralize alcohol metabolites.
And then there are the holidays, birthday parties, and other celebrations. We both can have a little too much fun, especially when his family's in town.
Our anti-alcohol complex offers a powerful blend of antioxidants to help support healthy liver function. Our N-acetyl L-cysteine is another potent nutrient that promotes liver function and immune system health.
They both really work, but I kept forgetting to take them. So now I keep them next to my toothbrush, just in case.
Good thing too, because when you forget, we all pay for it the next day.